Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Alexander Stepanov, and as I told before, I keep on publishing nail videos every day with real work in real nail studio on real clients. So, watching these videos, you will learn all secrets and all techniques of working with gel nails. My brother Andrew and me, we will make the professional from you. So just follow us and you will be the best. So let's start this tutorial, and as you can see, we are working now with a barrel drill bit. Don't forget to turn on the correct direction of drill bit. In this case, it's moving to the forward speed with the forward speed, and this way the reverse speed, and the medium speed we use for removing the dead skin from the nail plate. In this video I'm showing you how I work on ring fingers on left hand and on right hand. And as you can see, we have already removed the gel using the barrel drill bit, the dead skin using diamond flame drill bit, and now Andrew is proceeding with fixing the shape of the ring finger. Just watch carefully how he's keeping his nail file and how he's preparing the nail plate, because this is very important, and you should of course prepare it neatly, perfectly, to avoid any liftings. He's working with long blade scissors, which you can find also on my store, shapeofnail.com. The gel primer is also important for provide the best I can find this word in English. I mean, the product will stay on much longer if you use primer. The next step is applying the sculpting gel, and as you can see, we're now using another brush than we used before. We use gel brush only for applying extensions on nails, but when we do the infill, we can use the simple brush from the nail polish, like you can see on the video. It takes not too much product, and you will never put too much, so you will not have to shape nails for a long time. It's much better, and after curing all nails in LED lamp, we are removing the tacky layer, and we work with the barrel drill bit again to remove some product from the top of the nail plate. Okay, let's remove some gel from underneath, and let's shape nails again from the top to make them looking good. Don't forget to shape side walls, and don't forget to also compare nails one to the other. And as you can see, I made this video to show you how we work on the ring finger on one hand and on the one hand with the same finger, with the same nail. When you keep the file, try to push on the proximal pads when you're shaping nails to avoid bleeding, just avoid cutting the skin. This way you protect client's hands. In this case, when you are using the conjure bit, it's better to keep the finger strongly, because if you don't catch it in some situations, you can hurt the skin with this corner. Please be maximum careful while working with this bit. And if you are the beginner, just use slow speed, and after some practice you can turn the speed higher. Now he's working with the ball jewel bit with the red line. You can find it in my store. This is the small ball jewel bit, soft. This is the best way for soft cuticles. As you can see, he also uses the forward and the reverse speed while working this way with this jewel bit. Okay, it's necessary to remove the dust using the rubbing alcohol and the wipe before applying the top coat. I mean not top coat, some sculpting mix gel mixed with base coat gel. As you can see, this is necessary for preparing the nails for the nail design. You ask why? The matter is that when you are using the gel paint, it's better than when the surface is ideal, has no scratch, micro scratches, and it's also easy to draw on the tacky layer. So you just need to draw faster, because this gel paint, this is gel paint of the brand Giorgio Cappuccini, the black color. This gel paint is flowing on the tacky layer, and if you spend a lot of time while drawing it, your printing can be spoiled. So just try to draw maximum neatly and quickly. These elegant and simple paintings now are popular, and clients showing photos from Instagram, and often they ask us to repeat these simple nail designs, and I think that it's okay, and I think we should not only draw one-stroke flowers on nails. Some of my subscribers are tired from them, and they want to see geometric nail designs, animals, patterns, something else, but not one-stroke flowers. Please tell me down in the comments what types of nail designs you think that actual now, and what type of nail designs your clients prefer. Okay guys, after covering nails with the top coat, we're removing the tacky layer using the wipe, shape sidewalls, use the oil, and shape sidewalls on the other hand, and use the oil again. And just take a look. Beautiful, elegant nails. It took only 1 hour to make this infill. So the video is about 11 minutes, and if you add more fingers, you can count that it takes about 1 hour. Thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.